Good afternoon. Staff, study students, உட்கார வைங்க. யாரையும் மூவ்மெண்ட் அலோவ் பண்ணாதீங்க. ரூம்ஸ் கேட் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Close the doors. Those who want to go out, let it. Don't disturb hereafter. எல்லாத்தையும் இது பண்ணுங்க. My dear friends, today we are having an excellent inauguration of and installation of Rotary office bearers for the year 2018-19. Though it is delayed by about 2 to 3 months, but your activities are always continuing, and the presidents of all the Rotary clubs are already doing many number of services. So in this occasion, though it's delayed by 1 hour, in this occasion I would like to welcome each and every participants from our district and also from our neighboring district. My dear friends, today our district governor, Rotarian Nirmal Prakash is here. He is having a club visit, governor's official visit at Namakkal. In spite of all his schedule, he is here only to motivate you. Similarly, we got the today's chief guest, Rotarian Dr. Samir Karyani. He is from district 3190, that is the entire Bangalore and other neighboring districts is coming under his district. He is going to take over as governor by next year. So in this occasion, I would like to welcome both district governor and district governor elect Nirmal Prakash and Dr. Samir Karyani. You can clap and welcome him. And my follower in the year 2021-22, Rotarian K.S. Venkatesan, district governor nominee, who is here. He is going to lead the district in the coming years. It's a happy welcome for him. And also we got our assistant governor Ramesh Babu is here. We are having 2 guests from Bangalore, district 3190, Rotarian Ramanan, the regional coordinator and also the advisor for Raila, and another contractor Naveen is here, and Pallipin is here. So in this occasion I would like to welcome all of them. And my good friend, our past president, past district governor Rotarian Vasu is here. He is going to be the district trainer by next year. And similarly, we are having the district Rotary representative and past president Manigandan is here. You can welcome him. He has already spoken a lot.